My name is Zach Dewhurst and I'm the owner of PrintPhase. In this video, we're going to go over how to change the offset on the Roland GS-24 cutter. When cutting different types of materials, it's extremely important to get 3 different types of variables correct. First is the degree of the blade angle. Most of the time you want to use a 45-degree blade for cutting lighter materials, while using a 60-degree blade for cutting thicker materials like flock and glitter. The second variable to get correct is the amount of force, or the amount of pressure used to cut the material. And lastly, the last variable to get correct is the offset, or amount of distance the blade holder is from the material. To change the amount of offset, what you want to do is you want to hit the menu button twice, and then scroll down once until you get to condition. From here, you want to hit over and then down until you get to offset. Here, hit the right arrow key to change the offset. Now, most of the time you want to use 0.25 millimeters when using a 45-degree blade. Now, when you're cutting thicker materials in which you're going to increase the force and the offset, like glitter and flock, you want to make the offset actually around 0.4 to 0.5 millimeters. From here, you want to then hit enter, and the offset is then saved. Essentially, it's a good rule of thumb that whenever you're using higher degree blades and more force, your offset is going to need to be higher. And essentially, it all comes down to the material being thicker and a little bit more difficult to cut. It is extremely important that the offset be at the right setting, otherwise your lines and curves will not be sharp. If you have any questions on how to change the offset on the Roland GS-24 cutter, please do not hesitate contacting us. Thank you.